Hello everyone. We want to learn me about Constitution of Republic of Vanuatu or Mama Law of Republic of Vanuatu. Constitution emi one lo so imi singa tem emi mama o emi stamba lo nar la susmolo lo Republic of Vanuatu. And imi bi so imi save mo livin reti lehem mo lisainem lo number 5 October 1979 and imi start continue lo imi celebrate lo every year number 5 October. Every time we starting about Ogata will live in come together, lo sa variety mama loya pero pa sa help mimi. Stop kay mimi lo work lo mimi time stop lo Republic of Vanuatu. Inside lo constitution si vos you never sabe or you got to be blame. Time you look inside the constitution you got constitution mimi I think everyone lo kata smallest constitution lo world meeting from hemi got 15 chapter no. We got 15 chapter, we got 95 articles, and not something. We cover up time when you go through the constitution, and we cover up full of something. And the mail law, we got one copy blame when we been karam, and the mail me one copy when we been karam one organization we been Vanuatu, one organization when we been prepare law, we have distributum law public we have got one free copy blame. And time when we been start to look through him, we been find out say kata we been sign a constitution too. Start lo small book ya. And I'm interesting because I'm all beginning we or students play we mean if I look, copy blow one constitution. Me na one copy blame so we name start with me lo andong. One all mean something we start inside there we me talk about time we look chapter 1 kasama chapter 15. Chapter 1 me talk about country play me to Vanuatu. Mo bawa lo hano lo pumpai mi rulum country. Okay. Emi talk about Republic of Vanuatu, emi talk about Constitution, emi mama law, emi talk about two language, national language emi or national language emi use the country. Emi talk about power, kata boleh kat power di urun country mo fasten how emi fought. Mo emi talk about two political party, tete emi find them out say kat full political party inside the national constitution emi lo chapter 4 lo constitution emi talk about all political parties too. Lo chapter 2 of the constitution, we talk about all standby right, more duty. And I mean, one interesting one, but I want them to them plan the story and be do. And we talk about all standby right, we establish Article 5, the constitution, we establish chapter 2, and all standby right them, and we got all different rights, we start. And the day you find them out say, the word we establish, you are full of right, we you Mr. Haram Mal satu kuat. Right people picking ni, right people mama, right people kata wali live with them, wali kat disability, right people you sabe kiving ting blue. Penca la constitution emi katol paramount ting we Mr. Blame we emi think say we want them story and what them middle the afternoon, lo small story and me. Lo chapter 2 lo constitution blue me lo article 5 and the me article 5 emi to kuat lo standby duty. And lo first one mitalam say you got right lo you life so mitalam bisa say article 5 milega lo miridim lo yumi haram say Republic of Vanuatu emi look sabe say suppose you know got any tapu we lo iputum lo people lo nar la country every man mo woman no got standby right mo freedom we stop and it without any discrimination or absting against them kata from color of skin lo kata from country will come out lehem or from religious from custom belief blogata or nothing or from thinking blogata side to politics from language blogata from say me one man or me one woman pe everyone must thinking heavy more respect them right more freedom lo nar laman more interest lo public lo side lo defense safety public water welfare mo health and when I be main thing when we start lo chapter 1 lo article 1 lo chapter 2 sorry lo article 5 1 and emi to quatro different rights where you got and imi got to be say kasem locate or semba mi butum lo bisa emi to quat right to you life you got right to your life mo kat man emi sabe karamo at life value okay sem mi farote one Christian country imi sabe you got right to your life and imi poni kam lo wole ko te mi krete emi to mi blo hui kam dokta hui kam pilot hui kam teacher hui kam one mo ko you karam you got right there you life ya now and time when you life come you born papa what the mama tu got responsibility to look at you to must provide them kakai shelter water protection safety you the home and we want requirement and life ya and dalam tu we talk about security blow one man mi one right plo you with right to me plo mi tukat security. And tete imi find mo che security plo imi no mo safe imi no mo sem before imi wo imi stop lo bot fila lo time we place imi hot imi sabe open mo window all to after imi sleep. You sabe go sleep outside no kat one something inside me game you. No kat man sabe come inside. Tete security plo imi no mo safe too much imi one information related imi sabe baken say imi need plo imi mas go them or imi respect them olar laman security plo na laman. Protection side lo ikat full up law na parliament mista pasan. Full up ota minister stop sign him too. And ikat full up complain him. Pe on lawyer mi pro protect him mia. Suppose you feel say want something in one man making one action come to you or tell want something you feel say you feel no good him. You say ro ni ko law mi protect him. Okay? And the protection side law mi try to explain them myself. Freedom free law no good treatment mo rabis fasten for se man law. Imi sabe, na ya imi istakat full up all rights imi kam right to family protection law, family right to beginning, right law mama. Imi no need to imi force man to imi kam something imi ko fa lo mark to hema. Pe imi mas megem lo one certain lo one ko la fasin behem no. Right to dalam thinking lo time lo worship. Imi to imi one right to you kat. Time you start lo presence lo you worship. Whether imi got a different way lo imi worship some imi sing out imi cham some imi sabe how you make pe everyone right to you express you the time to worship and how you worship you press a big man everyone right to you now right to you make freedom to talenting thing to you freedom to talenting thing to you and everyone right to you express you talenting thing to you help him life lo one man you encourage him lo one who start make you acknowledge him lo ko who start make okay you continue to you help him lo make sure say or put for something and stop having the life living. Full of time you may not want them you may not stop encourage them or you may not stop witness lo narlaman lo put for la work stop you may stop continue you may criticize or you may swear plant them or you may gossip right you may express you may talk about something by help them life you may one help them life to community you may help them life to society help them life to nation or help them life to one youth or one beginning or even one team of football or some United States of the World Cup. You may never tell them to feel something, you start continue to you try to find them out all fault, you try to find them out all failures, then you become a leper. You may never express them, you may try to lift them up or think to become something come good. Now, right to where we start the pressure when we talk about lo age, we tell them say, right to you come together, freedom to you come together more you meet, or freedom of association. Right time you want and give one chance you come together, lo you historian. Ya miki one chance you come together lo you story lo you talk about the development of the community. The full of time you know sabe ko or full of time you want them attend them all awareness or meetings where we talk about the development or something with my life life lo you lo child community or lo nation lo you like em lo you lo meetings as suppose for me one example sometimes lo meetings chief emi put announcement or by next week lo Tuesday by meet by yaram ringing bell by me talk about a project chief ringing bell or plan bubu or kilim tam tam hand play me tight or mod play me so pel man you know kan pe yet you me stop you know want them ko you me like a color or something or something you know developments you me like a local hem pe emena awesome you me got right you me got freedom too please I move pe you say that you move for them responsibility think about say got on narlaman to lista with them you community blue so you respect them all constitution and give right and limit bro you meeting about you respect them on narlaman where on the side you know you want to stand inside the community blue. Thank you too much.